Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video today. We got a 2015 Audi Q5 Premium Plus 2.0, 59,000 original miles on it, 2 owners, no accidents, super clean. Do a walk around video here. It's in great shape. We just serviced it, new PCV, new upper timing cover gasket, oil change. See the outside of it is in great shape. Only thing it needs that we ordered, we're waiting on a module for the daytime running lamp, which is nothing critical. It should be here soon. Check out the inside. So this is a 2.0 turbo. Has a big old panel roof. Sunshade is removed, so the sunshade is not in the car. So it's very common in these. The sunshade starts to sag and people remove them, but it is tinted, so it's not that bad. Let's see, 59,984 original miles on this car. It's in great shape inside and out. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you need any repair work done, you have an Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or other luxury vehicle that's foreign or domestic, definitely give us a shout. Appreciate y'all checking out this video. Thank you.